New video. Today we're just making something like on unboxing this Packard bell. It's they call it a Targa F10Pro. It's a 10-inch LED tablet PC. So beautiful. So I'll find, like, I always buy tablets, but this time I said let me change the brand. Let's see what we have inside. So I've been using much of Blackview tablets and I find them nice, so good, but now I didn't find stock and I needed a tablet. I said okay, let me buy one. Oh, I just gonna take it out. Okay, here we go. There's nothing into the box after taking out this. Okay, look what they have. Look what we have here. It has 128 gig storage, 6 gig RAM. The RAM is good, ne? I won't lie to you, the RAM is good, and the battery is not bad, 7,000. You get me? So Android OS, yeah, that's good. So let's see what they give us in this. Okay, we open here. I think this is your charger. Oh, let's see the charger, how it looks like. Okay. Wow, so we got this charger here, and that's it. How does it look like? Okay, this is the tablet. It's yes, so you can just take out this. Okay, I think we have something here. It seems like we have something like a keyboard or what. Okay, because if they say tablet PC, not a keyboard but a cover. That's beautiful. Yeah, it has a pouch. So beautiful. Okay, what is so amazing too, they gave you a screen protector. You can see it has a screen protector here, right? That's good. So let me on the tablet. I see. I'm gonna try to on it. Okay, that's what we have. So now then we're gonna set it up, put in your Gmail and all that. You get me? I think that's it, what we have, but you can see what you got here. I'm so happy with the tablet. It's not bad. It's beautiful. Screen protector, pouch, charger, all what you need, and you get it is something like 2,500. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to comment, you can comment, leave a comment. But I'm happy. I've been using this kind, Blackview. You can see. Also, they are very fine. They give you also all of what they gave you. But this one is a little bit bigger than this one. Yeah, that's a difference, I'll say.